This is a Patterson Kelley liquid solids blender. Package number LB-9003. Here's the motor. Tag on it. It's missing the caps and the bottom cap there. And then this side is missing this piece, but I'm sure that could probably just be glued back on. Anyways, I think it also is supposed to have a speed control with it. We don't have the speed control, we just have the unit itself. So I just have it wired into a power strip. So here's my on-off switch. And I'll let you see it run. So pretty quiet. I could try reversing it, but I'd have to reverse the wires and that would take me a second. But that's the unit. If you got questions or concerns, let me know. It's going to have to be truck shipped, by the way. Thank you.